Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for ehow.com. And today I am making a pineapple and ginger cold recipe using a blender. And what I've started out doing first is making some ginger juice. And all you have to do is just peel some ginger and mix it with some water, run it through your blender, and then you just put it through one of these little sieves. So I've got this nice ginger juice. And ginger is so good for you if you've got a cold. And we're going to add some fresh orange juice that we just juiced this orange, and some cut up pineapple. And we have some maple syrup here too. It's going to sweeten it up, and then a little bit of nutmeg too. Blend this all up. And that should do it. A pineapple ginger cold remedy made with a blender. I'm going to take a sip of this and see how this tastes. Oh, I love that with the ginger. It's got a great flavor to it. This is Dr. Linda Joy Rose for ehow.com.